You can see them all over the South Island, the snow-capped mountains of New Zealand's Southern Alps. They're the South Island's mountain backbone, home to some of the country's most spectacular scenery. The Southern Alps contain hundreds of lakes, fjords and fast-flowing rivers. And amongst all that snow, there's plenty of ice, because this is glacier country. There are 350 glaciers in these mountains. The most famous is a giant river of ice known as the Franz Josef. From the west coast town of Franz Josef, the helicopter line operates a variety of scenic tours through this amazing area. The Franz Josef Glacier descends to remarkably low levels. This is the only place in the world where you'll find glacial ice tumbling through a rainforest. A glacier is simply a large body of ice moving slowly downhill. They form high in the mountains, in areas where there are heavy snowfalls and a relatively low melt rate. By helicopter, you'll have a spectacular view of these giant ice pinnacles near the top of the glacier. They're formed when the ice breaks up under the pressure of being squeezed down a narrow glacial valley. Franz Josef is a spectacular sight. The glacier stretches about 11 kilometres. It can move up to 5 metres in a single day. Today we're heading to the very top of Franz Josef, to the neve or snow field where the snow and ice is at its deepest. From here you can enjoy an amazing panorama of the mighty Southern Alps. The helicopter line operates several flights in this region, and snow landings like this one are among the most popular. For some people, it's their first touch of snow. The snow and ice at the upper levels can be as deep as 45 metres.
Oh yeah.
This creates incredible pressure which forces the ice to flow down the valley. 99% of the world's glacial ice is found in Antarctica and Greenland, where it can take up to 3,000 years to form. But here in New Zealand, glacial ice forms in less than 5 years. The reason is our temperate climate. All that moisture and rain creates thicker snow. The flight to Franz Josef provides views of many other scenic highlights, including New Zealand's tallest mountain, Mount Cook. You can also see several nearby glaciers, including Fox and Tasman. Another popular option is the heli hike excursion. This combines a helicopter flight to the glaciers with a guided walk amongst pinnacles, deep crevasses and ice caves.